Hi, it's Jim Cramer with Jeff Marks for the morning meeting, exclusively for the CNBC Investment Club. We've got another market that's being led by the Mag 7, and that's because people keep raising price targets. Nothing but good to say. It's positive. Yeah, crazy it up.
Well, I mean, you also get news like Supermicro, which is a company we don't talk too much about. They had good prelim numbers yesterday, raising their guidance, citing strong market and customer demand for rack scale AI, total IT solutions. But then you also have Mark Zuckerberg of Meta talking about buying 350,000 NVIDIA H100 GPUs just by the end of the year.
These are $40,000.
Yeah.
Right. Now, we have to focus on this Goldman call Broadcom. We have been adamant that Broadcom, we had finally waiting to get a chance, was finally down. We bought some. I don't know when this is going to return back to earth.
I think one thing that really struck out to me, look, we all know the AI story. There are some cyclical parts in the business, but it was really about VMware, and this was incredible. They think Broadcom's VMware, the EBIT margin profile from that business, to go from 30% at the time of the acquisition all the way to 60% exiting fiscal year 2026.
Just laughing.
Cost synergies.
Get out of every market.
Other semis.
What happens is the Hot Tan and runs it like a consumer products company, which, by the way, brings up the ultimate consumer products company, which is Apple. Yeah. And once again, tactical outperformed this by Evercore. I think that the course is going to switch from people who are negative and they were doing so well, people who are positive, because there's very few stocks that are this far down from the top.
And I think that's kind of what Evercore is getting at. They're saying the buy side expectations are so low right now that even if Apple reports an inline quarter, you could see this and guide, you could see the stock work higher.
Ford is increasing its dividend at the same.
No, not dividend.
I'm sorry, increasing its guidance for Bronco, SUV, and Ranger. But the big picture is cutting production for the F-150 Lightning.
What's wrong with that? They're losing money on it.
I thought the 150 Lightning was doing well. True. I just don't like that.
True.
Anyway.
But I think industry-wide, we're seeing a slowing of EV demand.
And the others, I mean, there's really kind of an undercurrent. A lot of people focus on the Spirit deal, and I don't think it's going to happen.
Yeah, well, look, I think, M&A is in focus, obviously, at the start of this year, looking for deals. Don't want to see deals get blocked.
Right.
Because that could have a negative connotation to the ability to make deals and to a much lesser extent a Wells Fargo story.
But understand, this is federal court. This is just the Justice Department doesn't like these kinds of deals. They'll win these cases. Yeah. This is not the FTC trying to find some sort of overlap. There's real overlap, as you know, when you go to West Palm.
Yes. Yeah. I do want to go back to just the NVIDIA Meta stuff, because I do think, we're always looking for derivative impact for these news. Obviously, it benefits NVIDIA. Could be good for Meta, just the whole AI ecosystem. But, keep in mind that to run these GPUs, it's going to require a lot of electricity power. And a company in the portfolio that we own that is focused on electricity is, of course, Eaton.
Well, anyway, look, this is Jim Cramer with Jeff Marks for the morning meeting, and we'll catch you on the home stretch.